have launched the first ZIRAN Pro series in KEYTER, which is a air-to-water reversible heat pump range based on Propane R290 as a refrigerant. These units have been developed in full inverter technology, both the semi-hermetic compressor as well as the electronic fans, in order to achieve a better performance during all the seasons. We have also implemented in these units the possibility for low noise optionals in order to match the customer requirements. We are testing these heat pumps this summer, taking advantage of the heat wave we are suffering in the south of Spain, also to make sure that these units are working even with high external temperatures, such as 43, 44 external degrees. And the idea is to keep sure that the unit is maintaining a nice performing even in such high external temperatures, providing above 65 degrees. In KEYTER, we wanted to have a solution based on propane as a natural refrigerant, also because of these regulations according to the F-gas limitations we are going to suffer in the coming years, as well as the PFAS restrictions. So we have available a solution with these reversible heat pumps that are going to be a long-term solution for HVAC application in the markets. Apart from the semi-hermetic compressor with the frequency variator, we are also including in these units by standard leak detector and ATEX fans because of the propane as the refrigerant. So all these units are going to be completely isolated, all the refrigerant part, and the hydraulic part you will have the availability to decide what panels to put or not. But this is going to be the general layout of the units in the complete ZIRAN Pro range.